to start?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Dear Robert and Robbie, now our time as HBU student has come to an end, and we remember our first day like it was only a few weeks ago. Robbie, you seem super excited to meet us all and had the most warm smile, which you still contain. And Robbie, you really represented the Aloha spirit. Robert, your knowledge is greater than all of us combined. And from the first day we met you, you had a glow of inner calmness and patience, and you kept on this glowing light through every single day. One of the things that has impressed us the most is that you could remember all of our names so quickly, and it really made us feel like home, special.
Some of the learning experiences we have been fortunate enough to be a part of, we will never forget. Everything from the downtown walk, the Aloha Tower and Pearl Harbor with you, Robert, to your class, Robbie, with Moana Heritage Center? Yeah.
Manoa.
Manoa, sorry. Manoa, I wrote that here actually. Heritage Center, brain teasers, and how to make a lei. These are experiences we're going to take with us back home and use as tools in life to embrace the Aloha spirit and the importance of mana and ohana. Although Oahu is one of the most modern islands, you have succeeded giving us a true feeling of the real and wonderful Hawaii.
Yeah, oh, I get so shaky. Okay, I guess we all knew the meaning of ohana before we came here, but not until we came to your classes we really know the understanding now of the word. We learned that ohana is not only your relative to whom you share blood with. It's so much more, and ohana is the feeling of being accepted for who you are as a person, but also loving the people you have in your life. Whether it's a brother, a classmate, or just a person who offers his seat to you at the bus. We are all one, kind of. And we also want to say something to Barbara, even though she isn't here. We still want to thank her as well for welcoming us with such open arms, and she always has the warmest smile, and has truly been caring of us having a good and fun and interesting experience here at HBU.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. That's right. Sorry. Robbie,
Robert,
And Barbara.
mahalo, and ahui ho.
Mahalo, aloha, ahui ho.
Yeah.